On the desktop, there is a project folder. If you don't have it, please create it. And inside this project folder, I create another folder with any name that you would like, okay? After creating the project folder, it's time to go to VS Code and open the folder. We navigate to where we have created our project folder and select the folder. And by doing this, we open it in VS Code. The next thing that we are going to do is open a new terminal from View and Terminal. In Windows, we can use Ctrl plus backtick shortcut. And then we create a git bash terminal. The next thing that we are going to do is creating virtual environment by typing command python -m venv, okay? As you can see on the left sidebar, there will be created a venv folder with some files and folders. After we have created this VNV or virtual environment, we should activate it with this command source VNV script and activate. As you can see, this VNV prefix is visible alongside our project path. Next, it's time to install Django with the pip install Django command. And as the venv or virtual environment is activated, this Django command and Django project will be created inside our virtual environment. Let's be patient, and as you can see, our installation is completed. Then we are going to create a Django project with the Django admin start project with the name of project with we are going to be social site and a period after end of this command. Period means that for installing our project, there is no need to add extra folder, okay? Now we can see that our project has been installed and there are some files and folder inside it. Now it's time to see our project in the web browser, and to create a web server we run python manage.py Runserver, and by then press enter. Now after a while we see that there is a link that if we copy that link and paste it inside the web browser, we can see our installation process is completed successfully, okay? Friends, if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you have any question, please comment and I will answer your questions. Thank you.